Think you should have received Fetch points for a special offer or partner product we didn't recognize? It's an easy fix. Scroll to the bottom of the PostSnap details page and select Correct Receipt to get started. You can easily add missing items or replace incorrect items by scanning a product's barcode or searching for it manually. If necessary, you can also edit the number of items purchased and price. Before you correct a receipt, consider these things. Corrections are not needed for non-participating brands. These items don't earn you extra points. Corrections can only be made to receipts from these types of stores: grocery, convenience, discount, drug, pet, and liquor. Receipts must be corrected within 3 days of purchase. If we miss an item or offer, we'll make it right. Please allow 24 hours for corrections to be reviewed. Thanks for snapping with Fetch.